I would like to say thank you so much to Jem. Now we buy this stuff for Saran and her mother that has HIV, and they live in the small roof of the kitchen, and the roof is broken too. So I decide very hard for me when I see they have no food and they live in the hard life. So I go to the shop. I owe the shop for this stuff so we can pay later on. I want to see them have food. This is the main thing that I have to do. Thank you so much. This is what we have to do. I cannot wait to see they have the problem with the food. I don't want to see them cry and they told me they have no food and the mama has HIV and they live in the small room of the neighbor, the small room of the kitchen, and the kitchen is very broken too. They have no property, they have no house. And this is Saran. Okay, the camera, Saran. Okay, so she live with our project. We support her 5 years already. 5 years already. Okay,